or unit matrix. How do you create it now? Come on. A is equal to np dot identity of what? 2. 2. I'm going to carry as it is. Unit matrix I'll print. Dim I will print. And then shape I will print. Simply what is coming? 1.0.1.0 point. To the D type by default taken. Load. I can change it as which type? Int type. Come on, how do you change it? Come on. Easy. Easy. Come on, I will write it as what? D type is equal to what here, int. So there I will be getting it. What is that? 1, 0, 0, 1. Principal diagonal, main diagonal is called what? 1 only now? 1. So don't think that some of the people trying to say 200, 020, 002. They're saying some of the people principal diagonal elements are same. What same? Their product must be 1 only. Is the product is 1 now? Product is different now. So this is not a unit matrix. This is not a unit matrix. And this is not a unit matrix even. This is not a unit matrix even. Keep in mind, this is also not a unit matrix because the principal diagonal elements product is what? 0. Here the product is what? 0. This is not a principal unit matrix. This is not an unit matrix. Unit matrix will be principal diagonal elements are always, product is always 1. That is the principal diagonal unit elements unit matrix. And this is a 2 by 2. Now I want to create one more 3 by 3 matrix I want to create. 3 by 3 matrix. So 3 by 3. I'm writing 3. What is the value of that 3? N value. What that n value is nothing but number of rows as well as number of columns. Both of them are same. So it is going to give you what? 3 by 3 matrix is going to come. Dim is 2. Shape is called what? 3 rows and 3 columns. Like that, you can build any big matrix also. I'm going to build a 6 by 6 identity matrix. 6 by, sorry, I will take it as what, mom? 6. 6 I will mention it. You observe it, 6 by 6. This part you observe it. All the principal diagonal elements are called what? Ones. Their product is called what? 1. Will if you think without identity function, if you want to write it, it's very complicated for you. Are you getting me? Very complicated. You have to write what? List in list. Like this, if you go through it now, if we go through it like this, identity is okay. If we go through like this by array function, it is very complicated. Up to 2 by 2, 2, 3 by 3, okay. 4 onwards, it is going to be complicated. That's why I'll go for which function now? Identity function. Is it clear? Right. Now I'm going to take up one more thing called what? I want to go for 10 by 10 identity matrix. I want 10 by 10 identity matrix. I want. So it is going to be like this 10 by 10 identity matrix. All the principal diagonal elements are 1. Once only. Their product is also called what? 1. How do you find the product? మీరు print చేస్తారు? Interview will ask you, please show me the product of this principal diagonal entered. What is your answer? How do you find the product? First of all, for value, for value, for value in. Come on. How do you print it? First of all, I want to go for it. For index, in where? For index, I want to get this type of index. How do I go for this now? What is the index of this? Okay. So you are out of order. Look at. First, that is the main problem. 3 and then 3. 3 by 3 identity matrix. This is a 3 I'm going to take it. So first of all, this is my data. This is the data. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And I already said to you, if you go to the concept of it, where I said this type of thing in the classroom, if you go to my concept of it, data types if you take it, data types in Python if you take it, list data type if you take it, other one I will take it. Just 1 minute. Inner list diagram I used to show to you. Inner list diagram I used to show to you. Under the data types, under the list category, diagrammatic representation of inner list. Diagrammatic representation of inner list. If I take it, even that matrix, which matrix? That matrix called what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. If you remember it, I was already mentioned in the classroom. This is my list. Inner list values are, this is called one list. 0, 1, 0, 0. It is called one list. 0, 1, 0. This is called one more thing. And a 0, 0, 1 is called one more. This is 0th row, and this is like this. And internally, this is having what here? 0, 1, 2. This is also having 0, 1, 2. This is also having 0, 1, 2. You know, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This was already explained to you in the classroom, and the above one is the proof for it. This is a minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So if you go to this place, this is a 0th row, first row, second row. This is a 0th column, first column, second column. What is the value we are taking here? This value we are taking it. This value we are taking it. So how do you take this value? 0, 0, 0, 0, this is called. And next is called what? 1, comma 1. Next is called what? 2, comma 2. Like this you need to take it. So these values, it's just like a general knowledge question, that is. So if we come to this place, how do you print it? A of 0, comma 0. What is the answer is coming? 1. Inka. One more thing. A of what? 1, comma 1. A of 1, comma 1. Star. A of what? 2, comma 2. 2, comma 2. What is the product? 1. 1 only. 1 only. Simple, that is. Now, if I am going to take it for I in range of ln of what? A. Ln of A. There I am going to write it what value? I value I am writing. What are the values are coming? 0, 1, 2. What is that 0, 1, 2? Just now diagram is written. Just now diagram is written. 1, 0, 0. That is the 0th value. 0, 1, 0. That is the first value. 0, 0, 1 is called what? Second value. And I already said to you this is called inner list, right or not? What is the 0? 0th place, what is printed? This entire value. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is the value printed. This 2, this is a value printed. If you know the subject, you can understand. A of what? I. A of I. Okay. For more clarity purpose, I am showing. What is the 0th value? 1, 0, 0. What is the first one? 0, 1, 0. What is the second one? 0, 0, 2. Are you okay? So that type of product I want. What is the product I want? In this place, I'm writing print of. What is this now? What is the value is going to come? This is going to give you as what? A of 0, A of what? I am writing. Of comma I am writing. Like this I am writing. What is the answer is coming? 1, 1, 1 is coming. What is that 1, 1, 1? Come on, first time. 0. A of 0, 0. A of 1, 1. A of 2, 2. What is the answer? 1, 1, 1 is coming. Are you following me? If you want one thing, P is equal to 0. P is equal to 0. P is equal to what? P into A of II. And finally, I will write it. I will write it. Product of, product of principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements. Principal diagonal elements. Or main diagonal. Principal diagonal elements. Diagonal elements is equal to comma what? P. I'll write it. What is the, where is that? Yes. That part I will remove. Is equal to 1, I will write it. Product, now I'm doing product. So it is going to be called 1. Are you okay? So this is the simplest code for you to prove that principal diagonal element product is called 1. And how this A of II? I printed the values one by one and I shown, and finally I wrote it. If you don't have the knowledge, we are helpless. Are you following me now? Right. Online students, is it clear, students? I hope if you are in touch with the subject regularly with the loops and all, you will be getting it. Is it clear, students? Even if we go for this one also, even if we go for this one also, principal diagonal elements, if you take 10 by 10 matrix also, if you look at 10 by 10 is coming, whose product if you want to find out, it is also going to be like this. It is also going to be like this. If you are interested to print that values, print of A of II, print of AI, keep it comment here. It is going to print how many tens are printed? 10 ones are printed. 10 times if we do the product, what is the product value? P is equal to what? P star A of I, comma what? I. A of I. It is going to be the product is called 1 only. Principal diagonal elements product is called 1 only. And this type of example, beginning days only, printing the product of n natural numbers. Something like that, I am going to print it. So I hope that it is going to be more easy for you. I think so. Online students, is it clear for all of you? Is this example is clear for all of you? Identity function. Now I will move to the further. Now I will move to the further. What function it is? Identity function. What is the use of identity function? What is the use of identity function? Which will generate unit matrix or identity matrix where main diagonal elements, all of them are ones. Ones, which is going to be called as identity matrix. Any matrix multiplied with any identity matrix, which is going to be called what? Unit matrix is multiplied with any of the matrix, which is going to be called what? Same matrix only will come. In other words, if you go to the normal calculation, any number, any number added with 0, same number is coming. Any number is multiplied with 1, n is coming. This is called a normal number, single number calculation. Any matrix, any 2D elements multiplied with what? Unit matrix. You will get what? Same matrix. Any matrix added with 0 matrix, you will get what? Same matrix. If you don't know, I will show you this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a matrix. A matrix this is. And unit matrix, I will take it. What is the unit matrix? 1001. This is the one. Please have a multiplication to see the answer. Every row is multiplied with every columns. And 1 into 1. And you know the matrix multiplication in your 10th class. If you don't know 10th class, we are helpless. And 2 into what? 0. This is called 1. 2 into 0. 2 into 0. Next, 1 into what? 0. 1 into 0 plus what? 2 into what? 1. 2 into 1. This one. This one. Next, over. Next, 3, 4. This row with all the columns. 3 into 1. 3 into 1. And 4 into 0. Next is called this one with this row. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1. What is the answer now? Which is going to be 1 into 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 into 0 plus 2 into 1 is called 2. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 0 is called 3. 3 into 0 plus 4 into 1 is called 4. The same answer. Any matrix is multiplied with unit matrix, matrix remains same. This is the simplest fundamental part in the 10th class and 9th class level. You must know about it. Right? This is a fundamental property of what? Unit matrix. So go to the place, sir, where you can show that product of the numbers. I'll explain in the further sessions. There is a concept of what is coming. A matrix operations will come. There I will explain it. So this is about which function? Identity function. What is the use of identity function? It will build which matrix? Unit matrix. Unit matrix is a square matrix or rectangle matrix? Square matrix. Square matrix contains same rows, same columns. So it is called shape is same. Dimension is always 2. Dimension is always 2. Are you following? Right. Now, somebody will ask you, okay, sir, you are having unit matrix. It is good. Now I'm writing something like this. Student, now I'm asking, this is my, so 3 by 3 matrix, I want to take it. Okay. Now you are taking 3 by 3 matrix. Nice. Now I want to go for converting into one dimensional. Is it possible or not possible? Is it possible or not possible? This is called a dimension is what? 2. I want to convert into what? One dimensional. Is it possible or not? I was already converted what? 1D into 2D, 2D into 3D, 3D into 4D also I already converted. Today I'm asking converting this 2D into what? 1D. Will you do it? How? Come on. I want to go for good. Uma. Very good, ma. Very good. Very good student. Now I need to write it. Already said to you. One dimensional, two dimensional, if you look at, I already mentioned it. Any one dimensional is coming. The shape is coming always in the form of what? Number of elements. Number of elements. Comma. Comma. That's all. It is closing. Even I said in the class, it is represented in the form of what? Tuple. So here I am writing convert, convert 2D, 2D into what? 1D, 1D. A dot shape is equal to A dot shape is equal to what is the total number of elements? 9. 9 comma. I will write it. Pixels are you know how to do it. Print that dimension shape you see. Print that and content also I will print it. Content also unit matrix in 1D. Unit matrix in 1D. Unit matrix in 1D. 1D. So see that it is going to be called what? 100, 010, It is called 1D. It is called size dim is 1 and a 9 comma. Have you seen this type of example in my class or not? Already done. Already done. But only thing is you are not reading that. After coming to the class, you are just watching the screens, YouTubes and all those things, but not opening the book. I am observing from there, both boys and girls. Only few girls are reading, but other people are not doing that. And if you go to any interview along with Python, compulsory questions from the NUMPY, which is from my notes only. And try to read after sitting in the class. Are you following me? Right. This is called what? Which matrix? Identity matrix. Okay. So now my requirement is like this. Actually, I can say identity matrix is over. I can say, okay, it is over. But why I am specially writing this I? Spell out that. So what is this I matrix says like this. Watch it. Actually, this is called the unit matrix. 1000, 1000, 0100, and 00110, 0001. This is called what? 4 by 4 unit matrix. So all 00112233 are going to contain elements as 1, 1, 1. This is called 0th row, 0th column. 0th row, first row, first column. Second row, second column. Third row and third column. This positions you see, this kind of intersection elements you see, these are called what? 1, 1, 2, 2, and then what? 3, 3. 3, 3. Right? This is called who is building like that? Who is building that? Identity function. But my requirement today is in this matrix, I need not to follow about this principal diagonal elements only like that. My requirement is I want to prepare in this portion, one unit matrix I want to build. Wherever I like it, I want to build the unit matrix. And a unit matrix, I want to build in the matrix wherever I want. Like this, I want to build it. In this place, I want to build it. In that place, if I want to build it, what should I do? What should I do? 0. Come on. 1. And what is this? 0, 0. You observe it. What is this now? 0, 0, 0, 1. This is 1. And what? 0. And what is this now? 0, 0, 1. And rest of them are called what? Zeros. All these things are zeros. Here I am preparing the unit matrix. To prepare the unit matrix like this, identity function is not useful. Identity is not possible to use it. To print an identity matrix in the flexible manner, I will go for which function? I function I need to take it. Very, very danger. Actually, I can, if I want, I can skip off. Even you don't know that. When you go to an interview, compulsory they will ask you, what is I function entered? What is lin space entered? You take any data science students who is learning data science, ask these questions out of order. You go out of order, eh? Tomorrow, if you come, you are out of order. But today, at least you will remember the name. Reading is important. To prepare an identity matrix wherever I like it, I must go for what? I function now. What I function is going to contain. Now I'm going to say, what is the difference between identity and I function? Identity function always square matrix, and it prepares an identity matrix as what? 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. N place only once will be there. Understand? But I function is not only not necessary to be a square matrix. I function is also used to prepare an identity matrix. But wherever I want in the matrix, I can prepare identity matrix. And I function will prepare an ND array not only with a square matrix, it can prepare rectangle matrix also, it can prepare. Example, I will go for something like this. Look at, suppose I'm going to take it 3 comma 4 until now. 3 comma 4. What is the meaning of 3 comma 4? Come on. 3 rows. Okay. 3 rows means what? Ila. Row, row, row. What is the next? Column, another column like this. I want to prepare what? Unit matrix I want to prepare. How do you prepare? 0, sorry, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Come on, 0, 0, 0. Come on, 0, 0, 1, 0. These values are filled with what? Zeros. This is called unit matrix or not? Yes. Now, I am going to take up one more. 4 comma 3 I am writing. What is the 4 comma 3? What is the 4 comma 3? 4 rows. 4 rows. Come on. 3 columns. Be careful. 3 columns. I'm going to write it. 3 columns. Carefully try to follow. Carefully try to follow. 1 minute, students. Okay. Students who are in online, tomorrow link is going to change. Tomorrow link is going to change. If any people who are newly attending, still who are waiting for tomorrow like that, and the admin already announced it. I am also announcing from my side. Tomorrow link is going to change, and those who are already paid for the Python, they can continue. Those who are newly attending for NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, you have to pay and you have to attend. Tomorrow link is going to change. Take care about your requirement. Complete the formalities. Come to the 4 comma 3. What is this 4 comma 3 says? 4 rows. Right. Tell me how the unit matrix will be prepared. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. And rest of the values are filled with what? Zeros will be filled. Are able to follow now? This is called what? Who will prepare this one? I function can prepare. And this is not the case with what? Identity. And identity place where you are passing only n value. Here you are passing what? N value are passing. M value are passing. N value are passing and M value are passing, and identity start preparing from where? Principal diagonal only. This principal diagonal is prepared with what? Identified by the element called what? K. K. So N comma M comma K. N comma M comma K. What the value of K will be? 0. Principal diagonal always indicated as what element? This corner elements are indicated by what location? 0th location. K value is 0. And the below this K is known as what? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is going to be identified as what? 0. This is a 0. And this is called what? 1. Below this principal diagonal are indicated by minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is indicated as what? 0, 1, 2 will be indicated. Next, మీకు అర్థం అవ్వదులే తొందరగా కానీ so many examples I'll give you. N comma, I am writing here comma what? 6 comma 4 comma like this I said. What is the meaning of 6 comma? 6 rows. What is the 6 rows means like this? 6 rows means like this. This is the one I'll try to take up. Like this, I'm trying to take up like this. And next is called what? 4 rows. 4 rows. Come on, unit matrix. How the unit matrix will be prepared? Come on. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Next, here. Okay, this anyhow I will fill it up. With what is the value filled there? 0. Next, 0, 1, 0. Come on, 0. Next, 0, 0, 1. Come on, 0. And the rest of them are filled with what only, students? Zeros. Filled with zeros only. Are you able to follow now? Right. How many is zeros now? Where is the unit matrix prepared? In this place only. Are you following me? And this corner elements you see, this is indicated as what? K. Now I'm going to write it. Carefully try to understand. Actually, this complex function I can eliminate, but compulsory question this is. This is indicated with what? K is equal to 0. K is equal to 0. Below to that elements are called minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and then what? Minus 5. What about this is called 1, 2, 3? Sir, this is called what, ma? N is equal to, this is M is equal to, now K is by default what? 0. Suppose if K is called what? Minus 1. Minus 1 is made as what? Principal diagonal element. That time how it is prepared, sir? That time how it is prepared in this same case? If you follow me, I'm going to take it. What is my K value by default? 0. That's why it is starting the principal diagonal from where onwards? 0 onwards, right or not? Today, it is not going to be. So what is the principal diagonal? K, I am moving to which side? Minus 1. Minus 1 means which one is considered? This will be considered as which elements? Principal diagonal elements. This will be made as what? Come on. So I will write it here. Some green I will take it. 1. Next is called what? 0. 0. Next, 0. This is called 1. 0. Next, 0. 0, 1, 1. Rest of them are going to contain what? Zeros only. All of them are containing zeros only. This is going to be called what? Unit matrix. Unit matrix. I hope you are following. So unit matrix like that K is equal to 1 minus 1 I said. I can write K is equal to minus 2. K is equal to minus 2 means it is shifting to this place or not? Here it is prepared. K is equal to minus 3. It is prepared into the below. K is equal to 1. It is coming to the upper principal diagonal. Wherever I want to prepare the I function unit matrix, I can prepare it. That values can be syntax of I function is variable name is equal to numpy dot. What is the function name? I n comma m is equal to n comma m is equal to what? None. None means by default it won't take anything. By default it won't take anything. Next is called what? K is equal to what? 0. And next I will write it D type is equal to what now? D type it will be taken. Other things you need not to worry about it. Let us move to the further. Down just a small example. A is equal to np dot I of 3. Like an identity function. Simply I will print as what? A. It is going to work like what function? Come on. Identity function. Comma, what I will write it? D type is equal to what? Int. D type is equal to int. What is that happening? Like this. Now I am writing here. Be careful, mom. K is equal to what here? -1 అంటాను ఇక్కడ. K is equal to -1. K is equal to -1 means from where it is going to be. In this place, what is prepared? Identity function. Anyhow, it is not going to complete today. It takes even tomorrow also. K is equal to -1. K is equal to -1. Are you seeing the unit matrix here? Are you seeing that? K is equal to 1, you say it is printing above principal diagonal element. Are you seeing the unit matrix here? K is equal to 0, you say where it is preparing. It is preparing like a normal only. Are you okay? You may have a doubt. Sir, it is going to be 0, -1, -2. This is called 1 and 2. If K is equal to 3, completely elements becomes what? 0 only. Now I am writing. Now I am writing 6 comma 3. What is the 6? What is the 3? That is nothing but here we are having n value compulsory to mention, m value optional to mention. If at all you are interested to mention that also, you can go for it. 6 rows and 3. First 6 rows only will contain that. Rest of them are filled with what? 0. So this part, even in tomorrow class, I will show you because it's not recommended to explain quickly like this. This syntax I will go for it. I'll be showing the continuation part. Read and come so that you can understand perfectly. So today, I hope identity and linspace is explained and flexibility to the identity function is called I function. Tomorrow class, I'll go for it. And H stack and V stack, I will go. And a random module also I'm going to introduce, which is a part of what module? NumPy. Don't miss the classes, which is very, very important. Online students, now you can carry on. And Nagendra. Sir, whenever I double click on Jupyter Notebook, it opens in VS Code. How to set it? So what you are double click? Do you have VS Code software in your system? Do you have VS Code software in your system? Try to click on that and say right click and choose the app and say Jupyter Notebook. Do one thing. Select that file, say right click and choose the app name and say Jupyter Notebook. It will be opening it. It will be opening it. Even in VS Code also, you can use NumPy library you install and you can start working on it. You can start working on it. Select that file name and say open it into, choose the app name that is called Jupyter Notebook. That will be opened perfectly. Okay now? So, and I need not to double click on my examples. I'm going to give you HTML examples here. HTML related documentation I'm giving. If you look at, if you double click on it, it is going to show directly HTML document only I'm saying. Choose in the browser. Choose the browser, students. Right. Take care and don't miss tomorrow class. Very important. Carry on. Online students, if you want any doubts are there, you hold on. I'll clarify your doubts. Online students, any doubts are there? M. Harish. Student name is Harish.
Recently,
Harish, tell me.
they asked why double compression is not available. I told
Your voice is not clear.
that's why
Your voice is not clear.
is not available. Sir, your voice not audible. Sir.
Your voice is not clear for me.
Yes, sir. So my question is, recently I attended an interview.
Mm.
So they asked why tuple comprehension is not available. I told tuple is immutable. That's why it is tuple comprehension is not available. So like
Uh,
that I told. Sir.
Correct only. That is perfect.
So yeah.
Perfect.
So yes, yes, sir.
By default,
In our notes,
comprehension, it is comprehension says what? Elements are adding to the left side variable, which is not possible to add
yes,
to the left side variable in the case of tuple because tuple is a immutable object. Not possible to do it.
yes,
It's
sir.
correct only.
Yes, sir.
Correct only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Anything else?
No, sir. No, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Right, student. Anything else, students? Syed, Syed Hafsa. Sir, is there any other new batches starting for NumPy? No, this is only the batch which is going to be a NumPy will be discussing here. This is only the batch. Again, it will take long time to start the NumPy batch. All of you must attend this class only. 9 to 11 you have to attend the classes. You should attend these classes only. So don't wait for the next batch. It will start something like that. You have to attend this batch only. Don't wait for anything else. Tomorrow link is going to change. And if any new students are there, today is the last day, last class. Tomorrow onwards, new link it is going to be. And all of you try to complete your formalities by contacting to the admin. Okay, fine. So take care, students. Any more doubts, students? That is a big explanation I gave you. You must follow this carefully. See, lin space I was explained 45 minutes explained. So you must careful enough in understanding those things. See, when you join late, again the same class will not be explained for you. Keep in mind that cannot be. That is explained for 45 minutes. When you join late to the class, we will not repeat the same thing once again as it is to the student. After understanding, if any doubts are there, a spontaneous doubt I can explain. Explaining completely again is not possible because I have the next classes. That's the main thing. So Ali Khan, sir, can I get yesterday's class YouTube link? Already it is there. Admin has posted the link. Admin has posted the link for you. The links are already available in the chat window. You go through that. Again, I am posting to you. You try to refer it and try to get it. Ali Khan. So the yesterday's link is also there. Try to get it. So any more doubts? Any more doubts you have? Linspace examples are here. So many examples are here. All the Linspace examples are here. Joining late to the class is always problem. You have to join on time to the class and you have to learn it. This is a topic already there. I will upload it. You try to download and then get it. Okay.